Alright man, so check it out. This here is the white wool camp hat, and to be honest with you, I'm kind of feeling it. This thing is super clean. This is gonna give you the most, prominent box logo recently for this season, I think. And man, this thing sat for a minute. Nobody wanted it. They say they come out with these all the time, but I wanted it because, man, that's iconic right there. So I had to get it. Reminds me kind of like the hat that Wesley Snipes is wearing in White Man Can't Jump. Kind of similar like to that. It was that cognac or something like that. It was more flipped up like this. But I kind of like to kick it to the side right here. I think I'm really cool with it. I'm feeling this hat. How does it look right here? Like, it's not that bad either way. It's a really cool hat. I really like this thing, man. And you got the natural. This thing, well, it's not even natural. This is just pure white. This is white as the driven snow. And it surprised me because when I saw this thing, it actually has, let me see if I can show you guys right here. That tag right there indicates that this is Italian wool. Now you also have this right here, which is made in the USA, made in America. So I'm assuming that the wool is Italian wool, sourced there and assembled in America. So I don't really have any complaints about this thing whatsoever. It is definitely fire. Unfortunately, it's gone. It sat there on the website for a good minute. You guys had your chance. It's gone now. It's fire. I'm sorry. You should have grabbed it. If you got it, hey man, good choice. All right, peace.